Hello guys. I actually did this part. I actually did it. You might not believe me. But trust me. No. So I did it, guys. I did it. I did it. I literally did it. Like right in front of you guys. I did it. And there's no denying that I didn't do it. That I just did it. I just did it. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. This is my box. I don't care about time right now. I have 4 flyers. Yes, the key card. I don't care if Jumbo Josh comes to get me. Yes, yes. Oh, hi, Bambolino. No. Okay. Jumbo Josh. Okay. Yo. Where's Bambolina? Oh. Hi, Bambolina. Thanks for not helping me on that. At least you told me the instructions. What? Where are you going? Are you going there? I want to go too.
I'm heading back to class, and I expect you to be there before the 4th lesson starts. Trust me, you do not want to miss that one. Children are eagerly awaiting my return, so up I go.
Okay, bet. Oh boy. Well, bye, Bambolino. So I needed to go to the progressive center. And then I think... Oh. So, wait, I have that key card now. I have that key card. Okay.
You want a high five or Next time. Very soon. Sometime this week.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
So egg plus egg equals 3. That means the egg is 1 on this equation. Then a pila bird minus Tarta bird. Yeah, I learned the Tarta bird thing from this. So that it really quickly. Tarta bird says, protect your loved ones. They love you back the same. Okay. So a pila bird must be 4. And Tarta bird is 2. Oh, okay. Equals... I'm gonna... Yes, that's right. 2. 4 plus 1. 5, okay. So 4 minus 1, that is 3. Oh. Yes. So what? Oh. A peel of turtle. Okay. That is. Yes. Okay. So 2 minus 1. That is 1. So then 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. Yes, okay, and that is 4. Yes! Whoa. Who is that? Oh. Mr. Kebab Man says, so, unlike me. That here. And until next time, see ya.